My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Skoda Kodiaq Sportline. This vehicle has done just over 21,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and our heated steering wheel. To the right, we have drive assist and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access our key features, which include driver assist, navigation and smart link, media, smartphone integration, aircon, users and images. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, you have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes: normal, sport, individual, snow and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.